I'd like to say welcome back to my beautiful butterfly crafters. Today I'm going to be doing a video on wedding glasses. I purchased these wine glasses from the Dollar Tree. I already started the other one so that the video wouldn't be really long. This is actually paint from the dollar store as well. The white paint is bought from Hobby Lobby. It's acrylic. Here I'm going to be showing you how to make an even line for both glasses so that all the decoration matches up evenly between the two. You can use just about anything. Now I'm going to be showing you how to tape it off. I cut two pieces the same size. I already did the other side, but it's the same size as the other side, so it matches. I put the triangle right to the middle of the line. You can change this. You can make this as big as you want, as small as you want. It's really up to you, your preference. Everybody enjoys a little fast forward sometimes. And yes, Miss Beverly is in the background. I was watching her as I was doing this. I get a lot of inspiration from her. I will definitely link her YouTube channel below. You don't have to use white when you're painting this glass. You can use just about any color you want. I was just doing white as typical wedding dress colors. The painting does not have to be perfect. I'm sorry, everything's off center a little bit. This is where I'm going to be using Mod Podge and some black glitter for the male glass. This you should try to get as even as possible. Otherwise the glass is going to be really lumpy and people will definitely notice it. So shiny and pretty. I love glitter. Boy, do I love glitter. Anything shiny. You do not have to paint the bottom. You can put rhinestones at the bottom. You can do anything. The sky is the limit for crafting. I'm just doing a second coat here of the white because it shouldn't be see-through. We are going to cover this with glitter. But glitter doesn't cover everything, especially when it's white. I do not have to use the Mod Podge here right away because the glass is still wet from the white paint. Perfect opportunity to put sprinkles all over it. Saves a little bit of time. This is a process because things have to dry between each coat. So I let it sit for, I don't know, about an hour and I come back. Here I am dabbing keep the glitter in place with some Mod Podge. Do not go down. I find that the glitter wipes away. I mean, if you're giving this as a gift or as part of your wedding, you do not want a handful of glitter on your wedding day or for anybody else. So this is why I set it in with the Mod Podge. It's dry, sorry. I kind of skipped. I'm slowly taking the tape off of it. But when you pull it down, you gotta like pull it downwards. You can't just like rip it off because everything will come off. You have to slowly pull downwards. I do make a slit in the tape before I start pulling. Here I am using more Mod Podge so that I can make the shirt to the tuxedo. Again, this can be any color or any way that you want it. You don't have to do this. Just some silver glitter from the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree. Just some rhinestone wrap. You can get it from Amazon. I will link below where you can get it. I'm just literally putting it where the paint and the glitter meet the glass, the plain glass, just so that you can't see it, and it gives it a extra bling. But do not use hot glue for this. I just did it for the video. You should use E6000 or Dollar Store has like a really good adhesive super glue you should use. Those things work the best and it lasts. And you definitely cannot put these in a dishwasher. You have to wash them by hand very gently. The other thing that I've done with these glasses after I've taped them up really well and all the glitter is done, I've used spray paint, see-through spray paint, a protectant coat that works way better than using Mod Podge, honestly, to me, and it keeps it really, really sparkly. I bought these from Hobby Lobby. I like to take them apart and use them for different things. And that's what I'm doing here, is I'm going to cut them. Well, I already previously cut them. And now I'm going to use them for the glasses. Again, do not use hot glue. Use E6000. I will not be keeping these glasses. I'm going to take these ones apart and do something else, another project. When the channel grows and gets bigger, I will be doing giveaways. This is just a piece of regular fabric that I had left over from something else, and I'm using it as a veil for the back. cleaning off some extra glitter. Now I'm adding rhinestone wrap to this as I did to the other one. Now those little pieces that I cut, I'm going to be using as the buttons for the shirt. I bought this from Hobby Lobby. It's just plain ribbon to make a bow. It's very glittery, it's soft. It's a very nice fabric actually, or ribbon I mean. I apologize. So all you have to do is fold the two pieces inward and glue it, and it's a tie. I mean, there's probably other ways to do this, but this is the way that I know. If you know any other ways, comment below. I believe these rhinestones are also from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be gluing one right in the middle of the tie. Do not use your fingers. There is different ways to do this. Do not follow what I did. I should not have done that. It is very hot. So for the next video that I have, I'm going to actually make homemade rhinestone wrap myself. I bought these off eBay. I waited a really long time for them. But it's miniature little silver stones I have here. They're probably a millimeter big. It's the same ones that they use for the rhinestone wrap at the store or Amazon. It's really expensive to me. And if I can make a whole bunch of it for a cheaper price, I will definitely do that and pass it along so everybody else can do it. I have silver. I have the silver with the AB, and I have the crystal. So look out for the next video of the rhinestone wrap. I'm very excited to make this. I cannot wait to make this. Thank you guys so much for sticking around this long. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.